Greetings, I'm Ann Ngo with Youtique Bridal Lifestyle Designs. I am back at Pottery Barn Town Country here with Claudia.
Welcome to you, Anne, again, and welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't met me before, I'm Claudia Reimann, and I'm into the bridal department here. I head up the gift registry for all those brides and grooms who are lucky to have got engaged recently. We're really hoping that you can come to our next event. I host regular bridal events at the store, and our next one, and Anne's going to come over for that one, is going to be held here at the store at Town and Country Village, Pottery Barn, on May 19 from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's open house. Come as you like. Today we have a special visitor. We have Kelly Payton, who is the CEO and publisher of Perfect Wedding Guide in Houston and the surrounding area, who is in charge of a wonderful publication that you can get your eyes on. It's actually Perfect Weddings Guide magazine, which comes out twice a year. Kelly, can you tell us a bit about your Perfect Wedding Guide magazine?
So our magazine has local Houston vendors advertised, and it's broken down by category.
Awesome.
It's absolutely chock full of all kinds of tips and information to help you plan your wedding. Well, as you can go to our website and search for all of your vendors by zip code, by category, and
Wonderful.
Find all of your planning needs.
So it's got tools from catering to your wedding gowns. And of course, all of you know that Anne has her own designer business for a do-it-yourself wedding veil kit. So Anne, if you wanted to share about that as well, you'll be here.
And I'm going to be here to present my veil kit, my Must DIY veil kit. And I'm going to get to show you how to create your own veil and wear it several different styles, and just show you how to design it as well. So I hope to see you May 19th.
May 19th, that's right. Save the date, May 19th, 1 till 3 o'clock. So we'll all be here, all of us, and there'll be, we're going to call it a sip and scan event. Of course, you'll be able to register with me personally, and then you'll be able to take your fiance or your better half around the store and start scanning all the lovely gifts you're going to have on your wedding registry. It's going to be an amazing event. I'll have other industry vendors that are coming here to help you plan your wedding, and there'll be refreshments. So if you're coming after church, bring your family and friends, or if you're waiting on that restaurant table, do come in and just pop in and see us and register while you're here. Now the good news is, the big surprise for you is, as you RSVP for the event, you're going to go into a drawing for a getaway.
We're going to select from the girls that RSVP for the event a winner for a 3-day, 2-night getaway to a destination of their choice. So they can choose from U.S. destinations as well as some domestic destinations, as well as some really great international destinations like Aruba, Puerto Vallarta, Cozumel, Mexico, Hawaii, St. Thomas. So girls, hurry up and RSVP. Pack your bags and come on in, because we are picking a winner for this trip. And get away when you register with Pottery Barn for your bridal registry. We are going to enter you into a drawing on the day of the event for a golf or spa getaway. So you can use this for the guys or the girls and choose your destination and have just a little mini getaway to pamper yourself, or choose this as a great gift for your guy because he's doing so much for you guys.
Amazing. You can trial out a destination wedding venue before you actually choose. I love it. What a great idea. I really appreciate you sponsoring the event. Perfect Wedding Guide has always been so supportive of what we do here, and we love them very much. So thank you, and welcome to the store again to you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Claudia, Kelly, feel free to share your Instagram page with us.
Thank you, Anne. Yes, you could follow us at Pottery Barn _Town and Country.
You can follow us on Instagram at Houston PWG for the Houston Perfect Wedding Guide page on Instagram.
And you can follow me at Youtique Bridal.
Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Look forward to seeing you here. May the 19th. Save the date.
We'll see you soon.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you. Oh, before we go, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to show you, because you've got a lot of events coming up in your life with the bridal showers and your rehearsal dinners, and I wanted to show you some scenes we've got set up which would be perfect decoration for your tabletops. Over here, this is a lovely outdoor bar setting, and you can see it's marine themed at the front of the store. We're transitioning now from spring into summer, so you're going to get a lot more blue colours coming with the crisp whites of the corals. And this is my favourite setting for maybe a bridal brunch or a shower in a garden setting. And we do have umbrellas at Pottery Barn. We have Pottery Barn performance fabrics, and of course we have sunbrella fabrics, which are perfect for the Houston weather. As you know, it always gets hot in Houston, and they last for the Houston weather. I want to show you another section, which reminds me of going on a cruise. Every time I come to work, it's absolutely stunning. So this will give you ideas for your destination weddings. Is our Abbott bar, and this comes in a massive collection with a concrete top and a mahogany hardwood. It's a top seller. A lot of people have the dining room table in their home because it's such an eclectic piece, and they love the concrete line. It's something very unique that we've got. It's a crowd 9-foot canopies. This is a rectangular one, and it's designed, and we've placed it over a bar, but it can be actually right next to 2 different chase lounges in a poolside environment, and you can have your beverages in between you, but it does give you shade for 2 sunbakers in a garden setting. So happy home. And notwithstanding our fragrances, so for all your summer events, and I'd love to help you with this, to set up a little scene on a table somewhere, and we've got the fragrances to match the theme. We've got ocean, grey moss is our classic, we've had that for years, we'll never give that up, and seagrass is one of our new fragrances that are very popular throughout the year. Welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, to the bathroom and bedding section. I wanted to showcase our beautiful lighting display, and we've just released a bunch of beautiful new chandeliers, glass and crystal chandeliers. This is the Clarissa. It's a large chandelier. It looks gorgeous over this beautiful white bed and upholstered headboard. We've got a lot of chandeliers. We've got a lighting event at Pottery Barn. We'd love you to come in and configure something for a space, because I really believe that lighting creates such ambience, and Pottery Barn's all about layering designs into your home. It's not about functional pieces like a bed, which everyone does have. It's about making you live a certain lifestyle, and the lighting is a crucial part of that. If you follow me, I want to show you the other chandeliers. Okay. Yes. There's a delightful scene over yonder. I want you to follow me. Floor lamps. We have table lamps and chandeliers to suit every taste and budget. And this is my absolutely favourite one for someone who's going for a more modern look. These are all such gorgeous chandeliers, and we're just delighted to showcase them. We've just released these ones. This is the Bowen. It's ultra popular at the moment. There's always a lovely sale on our lighting department and our rug department. So put that on the list for your new home, and you're creating a new ambient space. If you shoot over there, you can see the ones there. They look like they've just been imported from Italy. They're beautiful. The beautiful colours, Anne. We've got for summer.
That's pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Okay.
I just wish they had fabric like this. I would make a dress out of this.
I think I'm
Isn't
going to
it
use that as
beautiful?
my
Oh, Anne. As you can see, I do love
I
floral.
love that.
I can't get enough colours. And also at Pottery Barn, we like to mix and match with patterns and colours. That's exciting. I just wanted to draw attention, the bride's attention, to these light up frosted lamps. They're absolutely exquisite, and they actually glow. They're not pre-lit with a flameless flickering candle. They actually go, and I'm going to grab one for you. When you're layering design in your house, you can stack these as we have on little crates or shelving in your home, and with a bit of succulents. We love the succulents plants because they transition the garden to the inside, and they don't commit to colour for your decor. So it doesn't matter if you've got a bunch of patterning in your home. When you have the candles, it just creates so much atmosphere. I just wanted to show our brides. It's my absolutely favourite thing in the store at the moment.
Thank you, Claudia and Pottery Barn Town Country family, the team with heart, for hosting the Sip and Scan Bridal Registry event. Also, special thanks to Houston Perfect Wedding Guide for sponsoring the awesome prize giveaways. So make sure you come by to say hello, and there will be plenty of friendly faces to welcome you. We'll see you Sunday, May 19th at 1 o'clock through 3 o'clock p.m. Well, I hope you have an extraordinary day.